What up? What up? It's been a while, y'all. Back with another Harley Davidson Street Live video, man. Just gonna give y'all a sound check on these speakers right here. I upgraded my speakers in my Harley. I got two new front speakers in this thing, and I also put two new rear speakers into in my bags. And also, I installed a tinted sub inside of my trunk here. Should have did a video when I was actually doing it, but I was like, give them a sound check. Let me hear what it sounds like, though. I got the box over here that my speakers came in. Well, I don't know where my front speakers is at box, but this one right here, though. These are my 6x9s that went inside my bag right here. They're the CT sounds. I got the exact same matching ones for the front right here. I don't know where the box is at, though, but you know, the front is the 5.25, and these are the 6x9s. Now the sub that I use in this thing, this is I got this off of Amazon. This is made for a pickup truck where you can place it underneath the seat. It's already got a amp loaded into it. It's already got an amp built into it. I think it's a maybe look like 1,000 watt. Pretty sure it's 1,000 watt amp, 10-inch speaker. I went with this design right here because it's fits perfectly in my trunk, and it got the amp built into it, so I can just wire it up. What I did was drilled a hole in the bottom of my bag right here, ran the wires through there. Same hole that I had coming out of here on this side here, that's coming from my lights for the bottom of my bag. One of them is for my amp now, another one's for my wires, for my lights, for my tail lights and my underglows. So I just rewired all that stuff up, ran them together right underneath the seat, wired it in, wired it up straight like I would wire a car amp here. Got the hot going to the battery. Got the grounds grounded out. Yep, got my remote wire running clear up to my unit here, so to turn the amp on and off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a sound check real quick, see what this thing sound like. All right, got that sub unhooked right now, y'all. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on. Let's do a sound check right quick. This right here just gonna be all the speakers without the sub. Let y'all hear without the sub first, so y'all hear what my new speakers sound like. They ain't bad. This right here is at 12 right here.
Beattown Productions. Banger.
This is at 12.
Money is my motive. I get it cause I'm chosen. And you already know right now. But know it when you get it. Seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive. I get it cause I'm chosen. And you already know right now.
I'll let y'all hear what it sound like at riding volume. When I be riding, I have it up to about like 25. That's how loud I gotta have when I'm riding.
I feel this, so I really.
This right here is riding volume.
Some say I'm nice, but I just tell them I'm gifted. Flow in my brain like
she loud though.
I keep people's attention like the score of the game. Some say I'm different, but I'm never gonna change. And yes, I am too greatness, what hurt is to pain. The same, new levels to reach, new goals to obtain. Hey, when I'm driving with my thoughts, I'm in a forward lane. And my lyrics is ether, and my flow is propane. It's a tempted admittance, cause I'm.
Alright, y'all, that right there was at level 12, and I turned it up to level 25. That's my riding volume right there, 25 when I'm riding. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook these subs back up, let you hear what it sound like now. Alright, y'all, we got this thing hooked back up. See what it sound like now.
This be Beattown Productions. Banger.
Money is my motive. I get it cause I'm chosen.
Yep.
And you ought to know.
I heard bass kicking in already. I'm gonna pump it up a little bit for y'all. I'm gonna go up to riding volume so y'all what it's sounding like. Really about to kick in now.
I feel this, so I really when I spit shit. Some say I'm nice, but I just tell them I'm gifted. Flow in my brain like the blood in my veins. I keep people's attention like the score of the game. Some say I'm different, but I'm never gonna change. And yes, I am too greatness, what hurt is to pain. The same, new levels to reach, new goals to obtain. Hey, when I'm driving with my thoughts, I'm in a forward lane. And my lyrics is ether, and my flow is propane. It's a tempted admittance cause I'm
turn it back down, y'all. Yeah, that's it right there, man. Just a little quick preview, this sound check right here. What the 10-inch sub sounds like in the Harley. She bumping out though. Hey, my music in my Harley is louder than the music in my Jeep for real though, y'all. I told y'all that before. Now, if y'all seen any of my Jeep videos, my music in my Harley's loud. Now I gotta fix my tail light. I ain't know the thing. I went for a ride yesterday, man. Took my bike up to the city yesterday. Went through some stuff, boy. But is she ready though? Man, that's gonna be it for right here, though, man. This right here is new upgraded speakers in the Harley, man. Do thank y'all for tuning in, man. If y'all want to see some more videos on the Harley, man, leave some likes, comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, man. If y'all want to see some more Harley videos, also got more bikes. You got a Boost and a Jixie like that. Y'all want to see some more bike videos, let me know. If y'all want to see some more off-road videos, let me know. Y'all want to ready to see this Jeep get in the mud, let me know. All right, man, it's been your host right here. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Gone.